Are you ready to unlock a proven AI money-making YouTube channel idea? Imagine earning a staggering $20K a month by simply re-uploading movies. It sounds too good to be true, right? But hold on, because today I'm going to reveal mind-blowing AI tricks that will change your YouTube game forever. Get ready for a step-by-step guide on how to upload movies on YouTube without copyright claims. You won't believe how easy it is. Stay tuned till the end for all the secrets. Welcome to AI.Genesis, your daily source for the latest and most effective methods to use AI to your advantage. Now, take a look at this channel. It has over 500 million views. I'm going to reveal their channel name later in this video. But first, let's dive into the exact steps you need to follow. The first crucial step is finding the perfect movies to re-upload. Head over to imdb.com, a fantastic website that can provide you to ranking and trending movies, guaranteeing you millions of views in no time. These films have a massive following and high CPM ads on YouTube, enabling you to maximize your earnings. Start with these movies, and as your channel gains momentum, you can switch to newer releases. Now, let's revisit the mystery recap channel I mentioned earlier.
Story recapped here. Today, I'm going to explain a comedy, drama, and fantasy film called About Time. Spoilers ahead. Watch out and take care.
They are racking up millions of views. Their secret? 10 to 15-minute videos that explain movies using AI-generated voices and small movie clips. The best part is that it takes them less than 30 minutes to create each video. Check out this channel later for inspiration on how to work in this niche. I know what you're thinking. Won't using movie clips result in copyright claims? Fear not, because I have the solution. Stay with me till the end of this video, and I'll reveal the secrets to avoiding these claims. You won't have to worry about any hurdles jeopardizing your success. Now, let's move on to the first step. Open ChatGPT. Type this prompt and add your selected movie title. It will provide you with a short synopsis of the movie. In step 2, you need a voiceover for your video. Visit Play. a convenient website that converts written text into a professional quality voiceover. For the movie clips, you can search the movie on YouTube and pick short clips from any channel except from the big ones. Or you can download entire movies. Step 3. You've got your movie clips and audio ready. It's time for the magic of video editing. You can choose any tool like CapCut or Filmora. Import your movie clips and audio into the tool. Find suitable scenes from the movie that matches the voiceover. Drag and drop the clips, adjust audio timings, and unleash your creativity. But wait, how can you avoid those pesky copyright claims? Here's the secret. Crop movie clips, apply light filters or effects, and flip them. These small edits will do the magic and save you from any strikes. Congratulations! By now you have your own movie recap YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information both valuable and enlightening. If you have any further questions or need assistance with any other topic, feel free to ask me in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new and exclusive AI money-making strategy. Be among the first to capitalize on AI opportunities and maximize your earnings.